Business to the very first lecture of this subject, operation research. In this lecture, I will discuss the basic definition of the operation research, its history, and its application in different field of engineering problem. So the first thing is introduction to operation research. What is operation research, right? So the operation research is a systematic, scientific, and analytical approach to decision making and problem solving. It provides a set of algorithms that act as a tool for effective problem solving and decision making. Extensive application in engineering, business, and public systems. It is used extensively by manufacturing and service industry in decision making. It is typically concerned with determining the maximum profit, sales, output, crops yield, and efficiency, and minimum losses, risk, cost, and time of some objective function. So the basic of operation research is we have to maximize output of any production process. We have to maximize profit. We have to maximize sales. And also the other way is we have to minimize all the input in any conversion process. That may be raw materials, time, labor hours consumes, and also we have to minimize transportation cost, right? Some primary tools of operation research are statistics, game theory, probability theory, etc. Operation research is considered to be a subfield of applied mathematics. The term management science and decision science are sometimes used as synonyms. It is also overlap with other disciplines such as industrial engineering, operation management, project management, etc. Now, history of operation research. There is no clear history that makes the birth of operation research, but it is generally accepted that the field originated in England during the World War II. Modern operation research originated at the Borsay Research Station in UK in 1937. To analyze and improve the working of the UK early warning radar system. Operation Research Club was formed in England in the year 1948, which later changed its name to the Operation Research Society. later changed its name to the Operation Research Society of UK. Operation Research Society of America was founded in 1950. In 1957, the International Federation of Operation Research Society was established with its headquarters in London. In India, Operation Research came into existence in 1947 and a unit was established at Regional Research Laboratory, Hyderabad for planning and organizing research. In 1953, an Operation Research Unit was established in the Indian Statistical Institute, Kolkata, for the application of Operation Research method in national planning and survey. It became the member of the International Federation of Operation Research Society in 1959. Now, characteristics of operation research. Characteristics of operation research. The first is decision making. First is decision making. Second is scientific approach. Third is interdisciplinary team approach. Fourth is system approach. Fifth is use application of digital computer. And last six is objective. Now, phases of operation research method. Phases of operation research method. The first is formulate the problem. Formulate the problem. Then construct the model. Construct the model. Then third is acquire input data. Then solve the model. Then next, test the solution. Implement the solution. Modify the model. Establish control over the solution. Solution. Now, techniques used in operation research. Used in operation research. First one is linear programming. Second is dynamic programming. Third one is queuing theory. Fourth one is inventory theory. Fifth one is CPM and PERT technique. Sixth one is game theory. Seventh one is replacement model. Next is sequencing model. Next is decision analysis model. Tenth is simulation. Next, linear programming. So what is linear programming? Linear programming is mathematical tools for the purpose of allocating the limited resources in an optimum manner to achieve the objective of the business, which may be maximum overall profit or minimum overall cost. Salient features of linear programming are Features of linear programming are decision variable, second is objective function, constraint, are inequality, next non-negative condition, next linear relationship, process and its label, next feasible solution, optimum solution, that's all. So we have two methods for solving linear programming problem. One is graphical method and second is simplex method. So in next class, I will show how to solve linear programming problem with the help of graphical method. Thank you for your kind attention. This is the end of today's class. Thank you.